Hello, welcome to Comfycozyup. So today I'm going to be doing a book haul. So I picked up a few books in October. So I'm going to start off with the one that I already read, and that's Without Merit. I read this beginning of the month. I did a review on it, so you can check out the video of the review in the description bar, and did like it a lot. The next one I picked up is Eileen. Honestly, every time I say that, I don't know if you remember that old song, Come On Eileen. So anyway, I don't know much about this, but it it was shortlisted for the Man Booker Prize last year. And from what I know, it's a little bit of drama, a young girl, and I'm all for it. So we'll see. So the next one I picked up is called The Power. And it won this year's Bailey's Women Prize. And I picked it up mainly because I loved Stay With Me. And I read that one. I did a review. And I remember thinking, how did this book lose? And this is the book it lost to. So I'm curious to see how good it is. But what I do know about it is basically these women who have some kind of power where they can inflict pain on men, and a little bit of women power, I guess. So we'll see how it is. The next one I picked up was Little Fires Everywhere, and literally this book been everywhere. And it's what I know, it's a small town drama where something scandalous happen and people have to pick sides. And that's all I know about it, which is all I want to know about it for now until I get into it. But we'll see. And, yeah. And then the last book I picked up is called The Rules of Magic by Alice Hoffman. Now, I read another book from her maybe 3 years ago, Marriage of Opposite. And I remember liking that book. I do remember what the book is about, so I find it interesting that this book is totally nothing like that book. This is kind of a witchy kind of book where there's 3 kids. There's like a family trait where they have powers, and this woman, she had like 2 daughters and a son, and she tried to protect them by preventing them from doing certain things. And of course, they're at that age now where they're curious, they realize they have power, they want to know more, and there's some kind of way they're going to dig up their family roots. So that's what I get from this. And that's because I read about 10 pages so far, because I couldn't resist. And I can't wait to finish the current book. I'm reading Octavia Butler, Parable of the Sword, and I love the book. It's very interesting. I'm about halfway in it, so I can't wait to finish it so I can jump on this one, because this one's also has that wow factor for me right now where I'm like, I want to dig in. So we'll see. And so all the books I have for this one. So I'm proud of myself because, to be honest with you, most of the books I've been collecting for the last 3 months, I've read at least 60% of them, which is good for me. So I'm not just packing up my shelf and not reading most of them. So we'll see, and that's all I have for today. And thanks for checking out my channel. Go ahead, if you read any of these books, not too much detail, but let me know if you like them or not. And also, you know, in general, what other new books that's out there that you're really loving. Like I said, I'm always looking for recommendation. This time of the year, I'm really into paranormal, a bit of thriller, and family drama, but not as much. But those kind of books is what I like to read around this time of year. But anyway, thanks for checking out my video, and have a good day. Bye.